How to put music in Facebook profile 2022. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can simply put music in Facebook profile in 2022. So first of all, you're just going to go into the Facebook option or application on your mobile phone devices. Once you get there, you just have to go into your profile that is at the top left corner of your screen. You once go there, just have to tap on the three dotted bar option that is just beside that edit profile. Once you tap on it, a new page for profile settings opens up and you go into the search profile. So once you go over there, in the new page, you're going to find music. Once you go into the music, I already have this one. So if I remove this and I go into that add or plus icon, once I tap on it, this is the list. I can also add from this, or I can search any music that I want to in from the search music. So for example, I like this music. So and I want to add this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tap on it. Once I've tapped on it, I'll wait for some time, and after some time I'm just going to recede, and once I go into the back page, I see there it is. So the people who are added on Facebook with me, they can see my music. So this is how I do it. This is how to put music in Facebook profile. I hope you guys liked the video and enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe on my YouTube channel. Till next time, peace.